Today we're gonna make shrimp ball soup. Then we use about a pound of white shrimp, queen, and doesn't matter the size. You can use the big one or the small one, but I prefer using the small one because it doesn't make that much a difference. But the price much more money on the bigger one. But we're gonna chop them up. So we put in. We can chop them with a knife or cutting board, but today we're gonna use the food processor to grind them. So okay. Then see, we just cover it like that. Okay. Then we put the whole thing in it, just a little bit by little bit. And that's the whole thing. Okay, about 1 pound. Okay, then you check it, see there's enough move, I think it's pretty good. Okay, so you can see that real mushy. You know, you're supposed to want it like that. Okay. Then, so we're gonna dump that out. Okay. Then you put it in there. Then you're gonna put 1 egg white in it, and some chop up gingers, about that much, a teaspoon, and some green onion, about same amount. Then some salt and 3 tablespoons of water, and you mix them up, and you move these like the same direction. So the same direction, don't go that way, you know, always make the same direction, just like that. And now and some cooking wine, 2 tablespoons cherry cooking wine, a little bit of white pepper, just maybe 1/4 teaspoon, and you put probably around 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in it. You mix it for a few minutes, maybe 1 or 2-3 minutes. Make sure they're kind of mixed real well, and make sure you don't on the same direction. You're turning it. I mean, you are mixing it. Maybe a little bit more cornstarch. If they're not, it's still too runny, you just put some more cornstarch into it. See, they kind of not too runny, but not too dry. See, something like that, kind of like peanut butter. Okay, and I think that's done. Then we're gonna cook them. Okay, and we use about 8 cups of chicken broth, so we have to heat it up. And turn on the heat. So we wait until it's boiling. Okay. All right, the chicken broth is boiling, so we can put the meatball into it. The way we make this meatball, we scoop that with a spoon, and we just chop it like like that. Like that. Just make it like that and put everything in it. Okay, then now you can see that boiling. So you just keep stirring them and for 2 minutes then it should be done. Alright, then it's over 2 minutes right now. Then we're gonna put the seasoning on it. So we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil, maybe more, 1.5. Then 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Then teaspoon of 3 teaspoon of salt. Then you put the we're going to use a little bit of Chinese chai. In it. Then we're ready to, and we're going to try how they taste like. You know, the best thing you try it. You know, so if you're not the way you want it, okay, then we're going to scoop them out. Put a little green onion and little Chinese cilantro, and I think that's the finish. That's a shrimp ball soup.